Hi guys, in front of me is INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first you have to open your phone together. Now go to contacts and choose the one that you want to add this profile picture to. Then select edit, mark camera icon. You can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me choose something from my gallery. Let's just go back and open it one more time. And now just pick the photo that you want to cover this profile with. You can customize it however you like. On confirmation mark then, and save to apply the change. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.